In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Walmart account 2025 fast. To get started, open Walmart on your device. You can do this either through the Walmart website in your browser or by launching the Walmart mobile app. Once the site or app loads, look for the sign in option. In some cases, you may see wording like sign in or create account, and that's the one you want to tap or click. Next, enter the email address or mobile phone number linked to your Walmart account. Make sure you use the same contact information you originally used when setting up the account because that's how Walmart identifies you. After entering it, select Continue to move to the next screen. Now type in your password, then click or tap Sign In. Be careful when entering your password, especially on mobile, since small typing mistakes can prevent you from logging in. If your device offers to autofill your password, you can use that as long as you're on your own trusted device. In some cases, Walmart may ask you to complete an extra verification step. If that happens, a code may be sent to your email or phone number. Simply check your messages, enter the code on the screen, and continue. On supported devices, Walmart may also offer passwordless sign-in or passkeys, which can make the process even faster and more secure. If you see that option and you've already set it up, you can follow the on-screen prompts to finish signing in. If you forgot your password, don't worry. Start on the sign-in page by entering your email address, then select Forgot Password. After that, choose Send Code. Walmart will send a verification code to your email, and you'll need to open your inbox, find that code, and enter it on the verification screen. Once the code is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something secure, but easy for you to remember. After setting your new password, continue and sign into your account. That's all there is to it. The process is quick. And once you know where each option is, signing in becomes very simple, whether you're using a computer, tablet, or phone. Just open Walmart, enter your account details, complete verification if asked, and you'll be inside your account in no time.